Straight line continued. Distance of a point from a line. P is a point x1, y1. The equation of the line is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. And d is the distance of this point from this line. And by distance we mean the perpendicular distance. So the perpendicular distance is given by modulus ax1 plus by1 plus c upon under root a square plus b square. Example. Find the distance of the point P minus 2, 3 from the line x minus y is equal to 5. Solution. Line is x minus y minus 5 is equal to 0. Point is minus 2, 3. Equation of the line is x minus y minus 5. So D, the perpendicular distance, is given by modulus minus 2 minus 3 minus 5 upon under root 1 square plus minus 1 square, which is equal to 10 upon root 2, which is equal to 5 root 2 units. Now, distance between two parallel lines. Example. Find the distance between the lines 3x plus 4y is equal to 9 and 6x plus 8y is equal to 50. Solution. Slope of 3x plus 4y is equal to 9 is equal to minus 3 by 4. Also the slope of 6x plus 8y is equal to 15 is equal to minus 6 by 8, which is equal to minus 3 by 4. So both the slopes are equal. This implies that the given lines are parallel to each other. Now to find the distance between these lines, we choose a point on the line 3x plus 4y is equal to 9. Put y is equal to 0, 3x is equal to 9, x is equal to 3. So the point is 3, 0. So from 3, 0, we are going to find the perpendicular distance onto the line 6x plus 8y is equal to 15. So the required distance between the lines is equal to the perpendicular distance from 3, 0 onto the line 6x plus 8y minus 15 is equal to 0. So D is equal to modulus 6 into 3 plus 8 into 0 minus 15 upon under root 6 square plus 8 square, which is equal to 3 upon 10 units. Question number 1. Find the equations of a straight lines which are perpendicular to the line 12x plus 5y is equal to 17 and at a distance of 2 units from the points minus 4, 1. Solution. The given line is 12x plus 5y minus 17 is equal to 0. So the equation of a line which is perpendicular to the given line is 5x minus 12y plus k is equal to 0. Point is minus 4, 1. D is 2. Line is 5x minus 12y plus 4 is equal to 0. So 2 is equal to modulus 5 into minus 4 minus 12 into 1 plus k upon under root 5 square plus minus 12 whole square. So 2 is equal to modulus k minus 32 upon 13 or modulus k minus 32 is equal to 26 or k minus 32 is equal to plus minus 26, which gives k is equal to 58 and k is equal to 6. Therefore, the equations of the required lines are 5x minus 12y plus 58 is equal to 0 and 5x minus 12y plus 6 is equal to 0. Question number 2. Find the equation of a straight line with a positive slope which passes through minus 5, 0 and is at a perpendicular distance of 3 units from the origin. Let m be the slope of the line. Then the required equation of line with slope m and passing through minus 5, 0 is y minus 0 is equal to m times x plus 5 or mx minus y plus 5m is equal to 0. Now from 0, 0, d is 3 units and the equation of the line is mx minus y plus 5m is equal to 0. So 3 is equal to modulus m into 0 minus 0 plus 5m upon under root m square plus minus 1 whole square. So 3 into under root 1 plus m square is equal to modulus 5m. Squaring both sides, we have 25m square is equal to 9m square plus 1, or 16m square is equal to 9. M is equal to plus 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4. Minus 3 by 4 is not possible as the slope is given positive. So M is equal to 3 by 4. So the required equation of line is 3 upon 4x minus y plus 5 into 3 by 4 equals to 0, or 3x minus 4y plus 15 is equal to 0.